he's an astrophysicist and I am a DNA nanotechnologist. So I work in the smallest of the smallest. But you know what fascinates me is the beauty underlying, because everything is so organized and there is so much information with some beauty in it. And as a scientist, every day I go to lab and do experiments. That is one level of reality. But the other level is when I sit down and think, wow, what is happening in the scale of nanometer, like how much precision nature has put inside, how much intelligence this has, and how it has built one of us, each of us, with so much accuracy, and how everything is functioning. It just blows my mind.
And that's still, the more we know about this universe, about this like amazing galaxy, stars, the more the motivation comes, the inspiration comes, and it is still continuing. First of all, this is our first experience in Europe, after coming from US, Canada, and we find that Aachen is really homely, like such a nice student atmosphere, so vibrant atmosphere that I don't see even in New York. It's a big city, but I didn't see that deep connection that people will immediately talk to. Here, it is much easier to make friends. Within a year, like we have made around like 200 friends, and which means like they're really friends. It's not like just hello, hi. We meet and when we really need each other a little bit, they come and we share a cup of tea, coffee. That is the beautiful thing I miss, because it's so small, Aachen, but it's so big inside the heart.
It's also part of our journey. There we never felt comfortable in the beginning. And here we feel, even without knowing the language, we feel everybody, even without talking, we feel much more connected. It's not really what is happening outside. It also has to do with how life has moved from New York to now. I would say language is not the only thing. There's a lot going on inside and outside, and with the people, with the warmth of people, and how people take life also.
In a Munich journey, and some of us were there together. Bus drivers speak no English, and I speak almost no Deutsch. But we spoke for 5 hours. Yeah.
But over these years, I have learned to relax and I have learned to smile. At my success, at my failure, through my failure, towards the success. And I really want to see that smile in every student's face in this world. On every human being, of course, but especially for students.
Yoga is nothing but going back to that childlike state which we were born with, but without losing the intelligence. So when logic comes, when scientific career comes, you use the logic, but when it is not necessary, you be like a childlike, enjoy the nature, have a cup of drink, have a nice walk in the nature. Sometimes people forget that nowadays. So that is the simple definition of yoga, and there is a way to bring mind in that state. Everybody wants that. Who would not like to be in that beautiful childlike state?
You are a couple, a romantic couple. So when you guys come home, what do you say then? Honey, how's your universe? And honey, how's your DNA? I mean, what actually do you discuss? Because life goes on, huh?
Yeah. So this is so nice question,
You don't have to answer it truthfully.
No. I love to answer because this is one of my most cherishing part of the day. Honestly speaking, I crack jokes.